Hi kitty cats. So we're gonna do our Ipsy bags, me and Sinfulkitkat. And then yeah, that's what we're doing. So please remember to share, subscribe, all that cool stuff. It really helps me out when you share it and when you subscribe and when you do a thumbs up and all that stuff. So thank you. And we're gonna get to it, I guess. You wanna go first? Me first? I'm going first this time. So, here we go. This is our July Ipsy bags, and I have an extra thing in here because you know how they have the little add-on things now? Ooh. So I have some add-ons.
Oh no. Oh no.
So, I've got
stuff.
This Ico Beach Waterproof Mascara. So that's that, which is nice. I have never had this Ico mascara, but I've had a different one and I really, really liked it. So when I could put add-ons on, I added this because I was like, ooh. And this I think I got with my points. So this is Peach Punch Sweet Foam Cleanser from Tony Moly. I'm rather excited about that because I love peachy smells. I'm gonna see.
I used to have that.
You've had this one before?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah. I
can't smell it.
Because it's one of those things that you put in your hands and then you smell it more.
No. Okay, well I'm gonna wait on that. So,
it smells so good.
But she says it smells really good. So, here's the bag. It's very, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not that crazy about the print. It's like a lot of plants, which I love plants, but I don't think I like the print of it. I do like the little tab, the little round tab. It's easy to grip. So now what else did I get? Okay. Let's see, did I get a list this time? Yes! Finally!
It took you 100
She always gets a list of everything and I never do. This time I got the list. Okay, so this is the BRTC Vitalizer Sleeping Mask and Pore Tightening Sleeping Mask Set. So those are going to be cool. I like sleeping masks because you just put them on. I know. Or pills because they look like they have like little pill things on them.
Yeah.
So, yeah. But that's going to be... I know I need to do a Mask Monday soon because I've got a couple masks to try out. I've got the Glow 2 Highlighter in Moon Dust from Ciate, London. Okay. I don't care for the packaging on this because they just put it in something like this so that I will never remember. Like, do they put anything? They just put the name of it on the back. It does say Ciate, London, but still, I would prefer, because I'll don't know if I'll end up putting it in my magnetic thing or not because that'll just, then I won't know what it is. So, but it looks really pretty and you know I love a highlighter. I just wish the packaging was different. Next thing, another mascara. Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Curling Mascara. I've never tried this before. So this is going to be a new one for me to try. And that's very exciting because I like getting mascara samples. And we've got Oseku Ultra Moisturizing Hand Care and Black Forest of Dreamlike Fantasy. Okay. So it's like a hand cream. So that's nice. Another hand cream.
Sakura.
Yeah. What?
Sakura.
Sakura?
Sakura.
A Sakura?
No, what did you say?
This is how it's spelled. Yeah. Now you're like, oh, I don't know what that is either. So I'm gonna try a little bit of this on my hands. There isn't too much of a scent to it.
How does it taste?
I didn't taste it. Weirdo. It's a nice thick hand moisturizer though. That's nice. So I got one more thing. And that is a nail polish from Color Club.
Bless.
In the color Mrs. Robinson. Whoa, that's nice.
Mrs. Robinson's got it going on, I gotta say. I wonder if I have Miss Robinson.
That's very pretty.
What brand is it?
Color Club.
You know, they send us...
It's called Mrs. Robinson, but it doesn't say Mrs. Robinson anywhere on it.
What's funny is that when they send us nail polish, you expect samples. This is not a sample size, guys.
No, that's a full-size nail polish. But the thing is, the only complaint I have is that the name of it is not on here at all. It doesn't say Mrs. Robinson anywhere on here.
So we're going to have to write that down somewhere.
We're going to forget the name of it. Not helpful, people.
Well, I mean, we're getting those, whatchamacallit, those nail thingies to swatch nail polishes on. And then we can just write it there.
If we remember by that time.
Well, I'll also write it on the bottom somewhere.
Okay. Alright, so that was mine. I'm happy with it. I got a lot of things that I'm gonna like, especially the mascaras and the highlighter, and mask. I like all my nail polish. Pretty much I liked everything. Yeah, I'm happy.
Oh no, I didn't get one.
Really? Oh no, you did. Okay. Do you want me to read off while you pull things out?
First thing I'm gonna pull out is, well, we already talked about this one.
The roller lash that I just got too. So she also got the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Curling Mascara.
And then we got this.
The Mellow Cosmetics Precision Pen Eyeliner in Black. That should make you very happy.
Everyone knows I like eyeliner. I steal it from people.
And she's always like losing black eyeliner pens.
Yeah, I steal it and then I lose it.
Next is the Balm Cosmetics Eyeshadow in Ooh La La.
Do you have that or
no? No, I didn't get that.
Well, it's a little teacup.
Oh, that's cute.
I don't
you get
really
that close
think
enough?
it matters. It's good enough. Is it good enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good enough. It's a little teacup.
Yeah.
Anyone got any tea to spill? You got some YouTubers.
I don't spill tea. You know that.
Glam Glow.
Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow.
It's a nude glow.
Sorry, people. I got a little tickle.
I can't open it. I forgot to show it though.
Infused with iridescent illuminating pearl particles. This highlighting moisturizer blurs your skin, reflects light, and gets you glowing in no time flat.
Blur my mom's skin.
Dab and blend all over your face.
Mom!
For an overall radiance.
God, that's
or wherever you'd like to add a little highlight.
And this is the liner. I don't think I should.
Yeah, it's a pen.
It's a pen.
You should have one more thing.
Phase 0.
Makeup blusher in Cotton Candy.
It's cotton candy. Phase 0. Ooh. Ooh la la. Oh look, you guys can see yourself. You're a camera.
It's very pretty pink blush.
Your parents lied to you. You're never a human being. You're always a camera.
Okay.
And nice pink blush. I actually wonder if it does smell like cotton candy. Damn it. They missed out on an opportunity.
No cotton candy smelling stuff. Okay, so that's everything. Did you like your bag?
Yes.
And I liked my bag. I'm very, very happy with it. I mean, like I said, mascaras, masks, they pretty much sent me all the things that I like. I don't usually care for like hand moisturizers, but these are great for like throwing into your pocketbook to have a little hand moisturizer with you wherever you go. So, no, you're not stealing my face wash here, my foam cleanser. That is mine. So, thanks for watching us, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And always remember to be kind, even when they don't give you the products that you want. But they did this time for me, so I'm cool. Bye-bye, kitty cats.
Bye.
I don't think it smells like cotton candy. Okay. When you get back, I'm gonna want to go to the co-op. Okay.
Okay,